and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Vlookup. Vlookup is a very simple function in Microsoft Excel and is very effective. The main purpose of Vlookup is to extract data or a value from a table by row. So let's start. Right, first thing you have to keep in mind is to decide which lookup value you're gonna put. So let's say I'm gonna put Mac, and I want to know what is the age of Mac. So is equal to Vlookup. V means vertical lookup, so make sure the data is arranged in a vertical way, otherwise the formula won't work. If it is arranged in horizontal way, then there is another formula for that, which is edge lookup. Now in this video I will talk only about Vlookup only. So once you put V, you will see a bunch of formulas which start with V, so you have to select Vlookup, and then Excel is asking the lookup value, which value first you want to put. So I have already put that. You have to select and then lock this up by pressing F4 keys. This is because when you move to an Excel or drag it down or anywhere else, the cell won't move. Otherwise it will move as you drag to the next cell. So now the Excel is asking table array, so you have to select this table and may lock this one also by pressing the 4 keys. And then it is asking column index number, so the age is in second column, which is B, so you have to put second 2. Now there are two options. After that it is asking, do you want approximate match or exact match? So in this case we want exact match. Mostly people use false, and you can go for true, but I will go for false. Or you can put 0 represent false and true represent 1. So I'm gonna put 0 and then enter. There you go. The age of Mac is 38. Now the same you have to do for gender, city, and you don't have to put formulas manually in each cell. You can just drag to the right. Okay, and you have to change the column number manually. Gender is in third column, so you have to put then 4, like that. Right, so if you put any lookup value, for example Alex, it will extract the data through this lookup value from this table or a range by row. Right, so let's try one more round. There you go. It's very simple. There are a couple of things you have to keep in mind, is that lookup value should always be in the first column. Right, the lookup value should always be to the left of the returned value. This is because if you type, let's say London, and you want to know the let's say gender or age, let's say, it won't work because it is not programmed like that. You have to put the value which is in first column. Go from left to the right, not right to the left. Right, this is it. Thank you for watching.